Yan ang shot clock mga kaibigan. Corpus kinaliwa. 3 seconds to shoot. Jumper now. 2 seconds remaining. That's the final buzzer. Final score 64-62. Warning, congratulations. Barang. Aaron Carpio. Bum, bum, bum. 3 points. Last 2 minutes. For this 4 minutes overtime. The 4 minutes OT is now underway. First position na bola mapupunta 14 ng Barangay Bahile. Olivar aatake agad. Olivar! Bam! 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 3 points! Napupunta sa ating libreng linya para sa dalawang libreng pagbubuslo. First free throw by Abroso. Good for 1. Sa bandang kanan, easy dribbling once again while taking. Binigyan ng pick. Kinuha yung pick na yun, but pero come up short. Dumilap lang at humalik lang sa pisngi ng ating pong rim yung tiradang Tero from the 3-point territory. That's why ang bola babalik sa patuloy pong umaabati ng 2 points ang Barangay Bahile. 2 minutes and 40, tira ng tatluhan. Lugod by Barcoma there for the green jersey. 2 minutes and 27 seconds remaining time. Abroso numero 34, taken by Sulayo. Sulayo, ibibitbit yung bola patungo sa kanang bahagi ng tropang Kabayugan, but won't go. Foul against Carabio, wearing jersey number 10. Carabio first in penalty situation ref. Substitution. Baldera out and Guerrero number 14 in. Isa sa mga bata na gumawa rin bilang isa sa mga game changer, mga kaibigan. Baldera replaced by Guerrero for this remaining time of 2 minutes and 20 ng ating overtime. Substitution. Ricarte out. Olivar wearing jersey number 21 in. 2 minutes and 20 seconds na natitirang oras. 59 against 57 score. Lamang ng 2 points pa rin ng Barangay Bahile laban sa team ng Kabayugan. First free throw by Sulayaw. Unang tira may halong kaba. Hindi bumasket ang unang tira nitong Sulayaw. Anytime once again for this last for this 4 minutes overtime. Last free throw, good for 1. Outside jumper for 3. Pitisa, last 2 minutes. Kasabay ng 3 puntos na Pitisa, yun naman po pagbaba ng 2 minuto ng ating 4 minutes overtime. Atake, Tero number 21, dadali, extra pass, bang! By Sulayaw! Ang ganda ng pagkakapas at napakasmooth yung tira mula kay Sulayaw. 62-60, 2 puntos muli ang abante na lamang ng Barangay Bahile laban sa team ng Kabayugan. 1 minute and 35 seconds to go. Mukhang nakakontrata ng 4 na overtime to ngayong gabi mga kaibigan. Kaya abangan pa yung mga susunod. 1 minute and 28. Substitution on the court. Barcoma checking in. Carabio out, Barcoma coming in. And Guerrero out, checking in Corpus. And Durante out. Wearing jersey number 0, Ricarte coming in. 1 minute and 28 remaining sa ating 14 na final quarter. 62-60, 2 puntos ang abante ng Bahili pa rin laban sa team ng Barangay Kabayugan. 1 minute and 20, shot clock 14. Pero numero 21, may tangan ng buko, trying to spin. Iwan, buti na lamang nandoon to the rescue. Abroso for 2, no, rebound. Pero nabibitawan din yung bola nitong batang nagladro for team ng Barangay Kabayugan. Itong kawasan. 1 minute go! Baba tayo sa 60 seconds ng ating 40 na para sa ating 4 minutes overtime. We have only 56.3 seconds to go for this last for this 4 minutes overtime. We have 56.3 seconds to go. 62-60 score. Last 53 seconds pa ng ating 4 minutes overtime. Dadalawa lang yung lamang na Bahile. 14 seconds to shoot. Shot clock down to 12. Corpus for 3, sablay yung 3 ni Corpus. He trying to recover with number 38, but hindi maaabot ng batang Sulayaw. 39.2 seconds to go for this first 4 minutes overtime. Last 35, 62-60, 20 seconds on the shot clock. Last 30 seconds tayo, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Olivar, Ricarte, the fake, sasaksak sa bandang kanan. Lugod by Ricarte, 20 seconds to go. Wala nang shot clock mga kaibigan. Corpus kinaliwa pa. Basketball by Corpus. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. Score po natin all at 62 points. 16.2 seconds remaining time, all at 62 points. Dalawang game lang, pero yung last game, napakasulido. Ang Bahili laban sa team ng Barangay Kabayugan with 16.2 seconds remaining time. Shot clock down to 14. Dalawang segundo ang diferensya between the game clock and the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Dalawang segundo ang diferensya between the game clock. Shot clock down to 5. 7 seconds remaining. Barcoma, 3 seconds to shoot. Jumper now.